Hey folks! Welcome back to our corner of incredible flavors. Julie here, and today, I'm about to spill the secret to an irresistible passion fruit and coconut cake. Go ahead and grab your notepads because we're jotting down what we need for this recipe. First up, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Can you already smell the deliciousness that's about to happen? In a bowl, mix together the all-purpose flour, sugar, shredded coconut, and a pinch of salt. This combo is the foundation of our cake. Pour in that passion fruit juice generously, add the vegetable oil, and stir until the magic starts happening. Can you imagine the tropical goodness of this cake? And now, the magic touch, baking powder. Let it do its thing to make the cake fluffy and perfect. Pour this wonder into the greased pan. The oven is eagerly waiting to turn this into something magnificent. While the cake bakes, let's whip up the topping. Heat up that passion fruit pulp, a burst of flavor is on the way. Now, picture this, the delightful aroma, the golden look, we're almost there. Take the cake out of the oven and let that aroma fill the room. Drizzle the passion fruit topping over the cake. This step is like giving the cake a hug, making it even more special. And last but not least, sprinkle on more shredded coconut. This final touch is the cherry on top of the cake, or should I say, the coconut on top of the cake. And voila! A passion fruit and coconut cake that will win the hearts and taste buds of everyone. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more deliciousness, and share this recipe with all the foodies out there. Until the next kitchen adventure.